Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. This is the gold weekly chart I made on the October 15th, 2022. Wave 4 is finished here, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and then ABC, wave 4. I said it's going to be finishing here, and then we're going to go up for wave 5. So let me show you how these waves work. Usually, this is a basic phenomenon that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then comes ABC correction. And usually wave 1 and then wave 2 comes in ABC correction. Then wave 3 and wave 4 comes in ABC correction. Sometimes sideways correction, which let me show you quickly here. Probably will have the diagram. See this here? So wave 1, 2, 3, then A, B, C, wave 4, 38%, and then comes wave 5. So that's what I was expecting, and I was counting that this is wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, then wave 3, then A, B, C, wave 4 will be finishing here, and comes wave 5. So wave 5 started, and this is what happened. All right, so wave 5, I'm saying that this is where the wave 5 will end up. But obviously, it's not going to go in a straight line. It's just like wobble here, wobble here, wobble here, right? So what happened to this? On the 28th, it was all the way here to 1920 area, right? In fact, the 1959 was the number very close by. So I said, okay, this is enough for wave 1 of 5. So we might be dropping back to 1802 before continue going to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. The next chart, you will see that it will start dropping right from there. And then I said on the 4th, I made another new chart over the weekend. Usually I make new charts for my subscribers, right? And then I do the webinar and I explain those charts in the webinar, that what to expect. So this is the one I made on the weekend, over the weekend, Sunday, February 4th, that no, we're not going to go up. We're going to drop even more to the downside into this area. So what happened to the next chart is 11 February. I made another chart. We are still there. And I said, well, we're going to drop it anyway, again. And from 11 to 15, it just start dropping, right? So 15th February, I made another chart here that we're going to continue dropping. And then on the 22nd, you can see that we drop even more, a little bit more, right? And then finally today ended Friday. We end the week on the Friday, the 24th, like this. We are very close to touching 1802. I think we came down as much as 1810. Okay, so this is where we are now. From this area, 1802 or maybe 1788, 38%. I'm expecting that it will make the turn, if it is going to make the turn. So I'll look into it, and then I'll make the charts. Maybe for tomorrow, I'll redo all my charts for my subscribers. So here, I also started making the charts for my 80-minute time frame. So you see the gold 80-minute. This is the down move, and that is how it came in Elliott wave count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this it's ended wave C of wave 4, right? And then we're supposed to go to the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is, you can see this is wave 1. I said 1 of 5, and we're supposed to come down here for 2 of 5 on 1802 area, and then we start to come down very nicely. And as of today, 24 February, we are right here. Now what I'm expecting is that it might be, this is not wave 2. Wave 2 doesn't come in just like one flat wave. So it might drop a little bit more to like 1790 or something, like 50%, or even 61% later on, right? And then into the next week. And then that would be wave A. Then it might go up for wave B to 23% line, and then come down for wave C to 78%. That's one scenario. And the second scenario is that after coming down to maybe 50% or 61%, it will straight go to the upside. The chart represent these two options is this. Either see if this XA and we came down and we're sitting here. So we're going to bounce from here and then go back here to 23% line. And then either we're going to go up 100%, 127 or 161, or we're going to drop first to 78 or 88% and then start to go to these levels for wave 5. So wave 2 is going to be either, it's finished and then we're going to go up for wave C, or it will make a harmonic pattern here, or A, B, C correction, and then it will start to go up, right? So time will tell. We, watch charts on a daily basis, and whatever comes, we will take it. As of the trades, when it's dropping, I had several trades, but only today I took this one. You can see here gold. This is the entry here around 1830, and I took it to the 1810. This is where I closed. I had several trades, but just showing one today's trade. All right, only gold today. I had only one trade. Yeah, so this is how it is. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do all this mumbo jumbo, you want to get my charts every week. And then, by the way, I have a Telegram where I post all the sometimes the charts, sometimes a heads up for the upcoming trades or trade setups, right? So yeah, so if you join, you will become a part of it, and you will be attending my live webinar where I explain these charts. I make every week, I make new charts, and I explain these in the webinars on Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. I conduct the webinar. So you're going to be attending those webinars, or you will be, watching the recording, whatever you prefer. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you can get my videos quickly. And the next video I'm going to make it for the US dollar index. Very interesting. It's going on. And then a yen index as well. So they give you the index charts. If you catch the right direction, you really have multiple choice in your hand. Lots of trades in your hand. All right. So this is it for now. I have kind of a little cold, so my throat is hurting as well. So anyway, so yeah. So like I said, that if you like what you saw, just go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And if you want to learn, become master of this strategy and the whole forex business, then sign up for one-on-one course. That's 10-hour course over the Zoom. I teach personally, no recording. I teach personally. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.